Today on TrueFactive, we're revealing how the Eiffel Tower was actually built and the shocking problems that nearly destroyed the project before it even began. This tower wasn't supposed to work. The calculations were untested, half of Paris wanted it canceled, and one mistake could have sent 10,000 tons of iron crashing into the river. So how did workers, with zero modern machines, manage to pull this off? You're about to see the risky construction methods, the dangerous alignment trick that could have ruined everything, and the engineering breakthrough that kept the tower standing for more than 130 years. Let's jump straight into how the Eiffel Tower really came to life. When Gustave Eiffel proposed a 300-meter iron tower, most experts immediately said, "It's impossible." Parisian artists signed petitions to stop it. Newspapers called it a useless skeleton. But Eiffel had one goal: prove France could build something no other nation dared to attempt. The first challenge was the ground. To carry the tower's massive weight, workers dug deep pits and filled them with giant concrete blocks. On the riverside, they used dangerous compressed air caissons to keep the soil dry, a method that risked workers' lives every day. Once the base was stable, more than 12,000 iron parts arrived to begin assembly. Each leg was built separately. If their angle was even slightly wrong, nothing would connect at the first platform. Using wooden scaffolds and cranes attached to the tower itself, workers hammered in over 2 million rivets, sometimes hanging 50 meters above the ground with no safety gear. Then came the most critical moment, making the legs meet. At 57 meters, the legs needed to join perfectly. If they didn't line up, the entire project would collapse, literally and financially. Eiffel's solution: he installed hydraulic jacks under each leg to slowly adjust the angle of the iron beams until they aligned with absolute precision. If this failed, construction would have stopped forever. But it worked. After the first platform was secured, new cranes climbed the tower as it grew. Workers faced icy winds, storms, and brutal conditions as the structure rose higher than any building on Earth. In just 2 years and 2 months, the tower reached its full 300-meter height, a world record at the time. Even after completion, critics wanted it torn down. Eiffel saved it by turning it into a giant science lab and later a radio tower, making it too valuable to destroy. The Eiffel Tower wasn't a miracle. It was precision, risk, and revolutionary engineering, all carried out by workers with nothing but iron, hand tools, and pure determination.